This is Makanui at Poipu, Kauai. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with 1,253 square feet. One of the things that's so unique about this condo is it has a larger outdoor lanai than I've ever seen on a condo in Poipu, Kauai. And there's a large covered area and an area just for the sun, for those sun lovers in you. Another thing that is phenomenal about this condo is the view behind you of Poipu Mountain, or Black Mountain as people sometimes call it. Because Makanui is located in Poipu, Kauai, you can get on the walking paths that way and be at Shipwrecks Beach probably in 6 or 7 minutes. You can also get on the walking paths and go that way to Brenneke Beach and be there probably in the same about 5 to 7 minutes. And then Poipu Beach is right next door. It's also walkable to restaurants like Puka Dog or Brenneke Broiler and shopping. This condo has also had a huge kitchen remodel. So often in vacation rentals, in these condos that are vacation rentals, they'll have these teeny tiny kitchens. This one has a great huge kitchen. So let's go inside and take a look.